Okay, 1 or 2 games this afternoon. Can I get back my rating to be about oh, this board size could be made bigger. Okay, is the recording area okay? Just about. Okay. So an open Sicilian. Am I going to be allowed to play aggressively? That's the question. So bishop e3 maybe. It's going to play e5, isn't he? Oh no. I'll try this. G4, G5. I can't really hide my intentions here, so I'll just cancel. G4, G5. Actually, knight d7 to e5 can still happen now. Knight d7 to e5. Right, but I'm on c4 square at that moment. That knight b5, try and get 3 pawns. Whoa! I just blundered. Just allowed knight c4. Looks a bit painful. Will you take the bishop? If he takes it, is it that bad here? Well, c2's an issue now. I'll play maybe just drop the bishop back for a sec. Just to avoid that option. Knight e3. Right. So where's that knight heading? f4 might be bishop e4. And knight a3 if I'm not careful. I could just plough ahead with h5 maybe. g6 at some point. Or bishop h3. A bit passive this setup, but bishop h3 and g6. Whoa! Okay, so bishop e4 coming up. Have I got any options here? I think I have to take maybe here knight d4, this one, but then e5, e5. Then I'm in big trouble. Rook e1. I'll try that. It might be rook e1. Okay, so rook e1. Because the knight's protecting c2 at the moment. Saying the bishop moves on that diagonal, maybe knight f5. Actually, the bishop can't go to f5 anyway. Could this be a bit over optimistic on my opponent's part? Oh, I lost connection. Total opponent high. Nope. I seem to be on the server. Maybe the opponent's gone. He's been up to 2-3-1-5. Say hi again. I still seem to be on the server. His clock's just stopped dead. Strange. I was looking forward to this. Bishop f3 disconnected and forfeited. I think I had a good position here after that move. Knight d4. I think I should give you another game, but I'll upload this anyway, just to keep it separate from the next game. Okay, let's just quickly check it out. Sorry about that. So I kind of blundered, forgetting about this. So knight c4. So just move knight d4 here, protecting c2, protecting f3, not losing the rook just yet, and we're v5 unspooled with rook e1. Oh well, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.